Now, if you tuned in this morning and were also a victim to the numbers mess that some channels resorted to, you'd be looking at results much different from now. But the real numbers have thrown up a hung verdict in Jammu and Kashmir. The PDP is leading but will need some help to form the government. Meanwhile, the saffron sweep has stretched to Jharkhand. Here is the final verdict in the last election of 2014. A complete summary.
See, it has been much hyped 44 plus mission. But so far as BJP is concerned, it is really going to be a litmus test for the BJP party, because for the first time they have made such an attempt to form the government. This election is not only about the pro-separatist sentiments versus pro-democracy sentiment. It is about the new alignment that will be coming up, new combinations and new permutations. Right now I am outside the counting center, and very soon the EVM machines will be opened and it will become clear which political party and which way the pendulum is going to swing.
People thronged counting centers as early as 7 in the morning, braving the early morning chill.
Everyone is talking about what could the possible alliances look like, which party will go with whom, and that will depend largely on the kind of numbers they get, obviously. But it's the PDP and the BJP, which at this time, Arnab, everyone is saying, is going to be holding, these two parties holding the cards.
With each party eager for Mission 44, early trends put an end to all speculations, clearly showing that J&K was headed to a hung assembly.
In Jammu Kashmir, the system of alliance will continue for some more time, and this time also there will be alliances. But yet there's yet to be seen who are the two political parties or three political parties who are going to forge the alliance. It's too early.
Nabi Azad has clearly said that they are ready to tie up with the PDP. So the first thing has come forward as far as JK elections 2014 is concerned. In fact, government formation is concerned. Congress ready to join hands with the PDP. But the fact is that PDP definitely has not reached where it was expecting itself to be. They were expecting to get anywhere between 35 to 38 seats, and they have fallen short of that. So now things have changed, and they definitely will now have to go back to the drawing board and see as to what they'll do, because going with the BJP means a more stable government.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लिए अप्रत्याशित चुनावी सफलता का साल है। झारखंड और जम्मू कश्मीर दोनों जगह भारतीय जनता पार्टी की जो विजय हुई है, उसके लिए सबसे पहले तो मैं दोनों राज्यों की जनता को भारतीय जनता पार्टी की ओर से धन्यवाद भी देता हूं और उनके प्रति आभार भी व्यक्त करता हूं।
With PDP not able to get a majority, it is now keeping its options open, including an alliance with BJP.
Not to cobble up a government, it is to to explore the possibilities कि ऐसा कौन सी फॉर्मेशंस बनाए जिससे जो पीडीपी का एजेंडा है, जो हमारे लोगों से हमारी वाबस्ता है, और क्रेडिबिलिटी, अब ऑल उस सरकार की एक क्रेडिबिलिटी होनी चाहिए लोगों के नजरों में कि और वी शुड बी एबल टू डिलीवर. दैट इज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट.
But the picture far more clear in Jharkhand, with a clear saffron wave sweeping the state.
If BJP comes to the power, you're ready to become the chief minister for the fourth time?
Party will decide. ये तो फैसला करना पार्टी का काम है, और जो हमारे व्यवस्था है पार्टी के, उस व्यवस्था के अंदर हम सबको काम करना है.
While Mission 44 in Kashmir failed, Amit Shah and Modi combined, making sure that they made enough inroads to keep Congress at bay. Bureau Report, Times Now.